Tools required: electric drill, Phillips bit or Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver. Take out the top glass shelf to access the temperature control box. Detach the LED cover. Use a flathead screwdriver to carefully remove the LED cover from the temperature control box. Unscrew the temperature control box. Remove the screws securing the temperature control box to the top of the refrigerator. Disconnect and remove the old LED board. Plug the new LED board into the control panel. Secure the temperature control box onto the refrigerator with screws. Insert the LED cover back into place. Reinstall the glass shelf.